And Arsenal, as the Norwegian international, and trying to win it back, he's given away the free kick. Jarred Gillett. Now a flurry of movement. Away across the capital at Craven Cottage. Declan Rice. Aït-Nouri. Sweeping ball out to Saka. White. Origin down that Arsenal left. Arsenal's got away from his man here. Arsenal get back quickly.
Failing harness on, isn't it?
Havertz coming forward here. Kai Havertz, excellent run. Lemina strong enough to hold it. It's a good looking ball in. Well defended by Doherty. And a nudge from Zinchenko. That became a trademark last season. Odegaard. Slip. Box here. Partey, air shot. White. The deflection was a kindly one.
Well, there aren't many
Premier League action for Wolves during his time at the club, but yes, they're very good at sensing that Arsenal, aren't they?
Very good.
Saka. Still Saka. Saka can recover and bring it. International. Saka. Well, they get that through. Saka. Lovely little layoff by Havertz to Aït-Nouri. Bit in with a challenge. Involving near post space. Zinchenko. And a quickly taken Arsenal throw. There's Rice. He felt it took a touch on the way through. Young João Gomez. Rice now. Side netting. Arsenal corner. Spurs man.
I think it's the right call.
Martinelli. Trying to bring it.
I feel there's going to be more defensive responsibility.
Olivier is the left back. Plenty on that. Beautiful ball. Fabulous.
I think Arsenal fans, hopefully, a lot. What a delivery.
Through João Gomez, now Bellegarde. Free kick here for Wolves.
And Tomiyasu's injury record is really... Well, that's not bad.
Bellegarde. He's looking to touch it beyond Gabriel there and run. Saka. Martinelli is behind him. Saka, well, that's a good pace for a foul, but...
season, I think that certainly does give Arsenal...
12 months ago to try and get him into... Gomez prodded it to where he hoped a teammate would be. Havertz, Saka, both weight in the middle. Too high for Havertz, and Aït-Nouri is underneath. Gomez looking for a simple... Aït-Nouri away. Rice, keeping him easily enough. As Wolves launch it forward. Larsson! Splendid save! That was an astonishing...
Well, they'd have seen that bit of movement.
Havertz goes to ground. There was certainly... Saka. Saka. Of one added minute at the end of this first half. Partey. On to Martinelli. Martinelli! Wolves have...
This for Arsenal. The Gunners are beating Wolves by a goal.
Win in this part of North London in the last 13. Rodrigo Gomez for Wolves. Aït-Nouri. Middle. There's space for Havertz, who looked to pass it into that far corner, but was well on. Excellent work this from Wolves, and it took Partey to get back to dig it out. In football last year, and defeat coming in the... Zinchenko's had it. Pressure on Bellegarde. Saka.
Great defensive work to get back, turn the ball around.
Reacted there. It will be key here, because I'm not sure that Jarred Gillett saw everything of this.
I think it's more a case.
This is neat and tidy. It's Aït-Nouri. Doherty on the cover. Scrambled by Rodrigo Gomez. Here's Aït-Nouri. Saka looks for that near post. Gap. Nearly came to Odegaard. It does come to Partey. Doherty. João Gomez. Doherty's throw. Need to get the end product. Arsenal finding gaps. Arsenal finding Havertz.
To stop the shot being eased off easily.
The second to quell this Wolves uprising.
Turn on Mikel Arteta's face there.
Guerra whips it in. Rodrigo Gomez. Wolves are given away. Cunha. With the goal at his mercy, he fired it
As well, you think he's in really good shape and form at the moment.
Saka. Odegaard. Stings the palms of Jose Sarr. This is tremendous work. And that's an excellent challenge by Aït-Nouri and a goal kick for Wolves. Bukayo Saka!
Stretched. And the moment Aït-Nouri doesn't have that midfield player back up close enough.
And just when they needed it. No one spotted Timber. The international squad. Final defeat where they led Coventry 2-1 deep into stop. Back to Havertz.
Playing, can you reduce that at this? Hasn't done that quite well enough in the second half.
Here's Cunha.